So hi guys, I woke up at 3 a.m. in the morning to do a self-care routine. Who does that? Me. So I'm using my makeup remover. I slept with makeup and my face was not comfortable, darling. So I'm using my face wash from LA Lab. It smells amazing. I super love using it and it's very affordable. It smells amazing, like fruits. Using my exfoliating sponge to make sure all the dirt on my face is out. So guys, for shaving my face, I'm using my tissue oil. Just rub it in your face and shave that face. Shave that face, girl. So shaving, guys, it really helps to get rid of other dead skin and also allow any product that you use to work 10 times better. As a person who has been struggling with acne, guys, my skin has been through the most and I find this really helpful. So guys, this is my homemade face mask. Love it. The face mask helps to open up the pores on my face. So I'm using Colgate to brush my teeth. So guys, on my face I'm using Pond's for oily skin, obviously to get rid of all the blemishes and pimples on my face and also dark spots. I use Vaseline on my lips to keep my lips moisturized and smooth. So guys, let's get into other legs. I'm using the exfoliating glove. I'm only using one glove, using the Dove soap. So I'm using Dove because my skin is really sensitive and Dove is amazing on my skin. So guys, I go again with the body wash. It smells so divine. It smells so amazing. If you never used this before, I advise you. If you're a person who loves to take shower, who loves to take bath, it smells so amazing. It's like you are in your little on heaven. For my scrub, I'm using my homemade scrub. I found this scrub on TikTok and it really works amazingly on my skin. It makes my legs smooth. I won't lie, it's my first time shaving my legs. I was so scared of shaving my legs because of the skin is so sensitive. Oh my gosh. But I'm really not a hairy person, so yeah. So guys, I'm using my body wash on my. Make sure guys you wash your armpits. So guys, I'm using tissue oil to shape my armpits because they are so sensitive. Making myself my morning coffee. Okay guys, I love you so much. Don't forget to comment down below and subscribe.